Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. I decided to change things up today and I am filming in the nursery in my house. It is going to be my daughter's room in literally like 60 days, and it'll probably be less than 60 days when I post this. But in any case, today I have a very exciting video and it has to do with my soon-to-be daughter, and it's an unboxing video. So I was like, let me film in her room just to switch it up. But in any case, it's a very exciting video. I've been waiting by my mailbox for this box. It is a mystery box from a children's boutique that I follow on Instagram, and I've been looking at their Instagram page and like the stuff that they sell for the longest time now, and it's so stinking cute. And then they announced that they were selling these mystery boxes, and because I'm a very indecisive person and everything on their site was just adorable, I was like, let me do this mystery box. That way I don't have to make any decisions and the stuff will be really cute. So in any case, the shop is called Axel and Rose. Here's the box here. See Axel and Rose. Their name on Instagram, or their handle, is Axel and Rose _. If I am thinking correctly, I'll put it somewhere on the screen here. But in any case, their stuff is adorable. They have like the cutest little checkered like not suits, like bubble rompers. Everything's like neutral. They got some Disney stuff. Everything is so cute. So in any case, I think they did these mystery boxes before, but I was unaware because I was still early in my pregnancy and I wasn't really thinking about, you know, clothes and stuff like that. But in any case, so they shared on their Instagram story that these mystery boxes were coming back. There was two tiers. There was a $100 tier, which got you between, I think, $150 to $200 worth of clothes or something like that. And then a $150 box, which got you a little bit more than that. And then when you picked the box, you picked what size you wanted. I did sizes 12 to 24 months just because I didn't want anything 0 to 3 because they grow out of it so fast. And the 6 to 12 was already sold out by the time I was able to purchase, which is okay because I don't have anything 12 to 24, and that means that she will just be able to wear this stuff longer, which is quite all right with me. Then you pick, you know, if you wanted gender neutral or boy or girl. And then you can also type in if you had any preferences, like if you wanted all Disney, if there was a piece that the store sold that was like your dream piece, or if there was things that you already had that you wanted to make sure weren't in this box, you put that in the text box, which I don't have anything from this shop yet. So I was just like, you know, everything's cute. We're big Disney fans, but I'm not, you know, picky at all. Everything was adorable. So I'm so excited to see what is in this box. So without further ado, let's unbox it. Okay, so here it is, so stinking cute. I love the effort that small businesses put into their packages. It's unmatched. You're not gonna get this from a big box store or a big brand. So right off the bat, I see we have some Disney. She also left a cute note that says, Brianna, thank you for trusting us with your mystery box. We hope you love it. And it says, your support of our small business means the world to us. Please enjoy 50% off all of your next purchase. That's so nice. So here is here. Love the neutrals. Okay, so I'll start with this little bundle here. This is the bundle on the left-hand side. I love that it's all tied up. Like, I feel so bad undoing it because it's just so adorable. Okay, first things first, we have the cutest little, like overall romper. This is adorable. It's corduroy. It's got Mickey Mouse on the front, which is adorable. I could totally put her in like a plain white, you know, like short sleeve or long sleeve onesie underneath, and then she could wear this on top. This is so cute, and the quality is really good. It's actually got a Disney tag on the side, so I wonder if this was sourced directly from Disney. Which, by the way, before I forget, pardon these onesies behind me. They're Phillies onesies, and with the Phillies being in the World Series, my husband has had these laid out like in this order since the beginning of the playoffs, and I'm not allowed to move them until the World Series is over. So that is why they're there. But in any case, it looks like the rest of this pile is all Disney, which I love. Okay, so next we have this long sleeve shirt with Mickey and Donald on it. It's like a very pretty pink. I love this. This also has a Disney tag on it, so I can't help but wonder, you know, if they're sourcing directly from Disney. In any case, I have never seen this shirt, if they are, because, you know, I'm always looking at Disney stuff. I've never seen this shirt before. So smile, super cute. Okay, then next we have the cutest little outfit. So first there are these pants, these little legging pants, which are like a pink checker. And then for the top, a cute little pink Minnie Mouse top. So here is the outfit here. It's hard to hold up. But in any case, how adorable is that? I can't wait. I'm so excited to dress her up every day. So that was the Disney pile. I believe that was all the Disney stuff. But in any case, getting, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces there, I think that's a really good deal so far, because if you have ever shopped with Disney, or, you know, not even just Disney, but like a lot of children's clothes in general could be, you know, quite pricey. So far so good. But next we have this little pile here. It looks like all neutrals. I'm really excited to see what's in this pile. Oh my God, how cute. So first we have another little like romper. This one's like a sweater. It is so adorable. The texture is so nice. And I have to say that everything that I've pulled out so far has been like a really nice quality. But this is really cute for like next fall, winter, spring. Adorable. And I can put some little like tights or leggings underneath this. I see, now it's so hard to shop for babies before they're born, because like I don't know how big she's going to be. But in any case, I know this will fit her because it is a bigger size. That's another reason why I went up to the 12 to 24, because I know those things will eventually fit her. But how adorable. Oh my gosh, so cute. So here we have the little, what are these called? They're not bloomers, right? Or diaper covers. I don't really remember the name of these, but how stinking cute. They're like little diaper cover shorts. They got the ruffles on the back, again, the neutrals, adorable. She's gonna be better dressed than me. I think these would actually even look good with this, and then maybe some tights underneath. I can't tell yet. I'll have to try them on her and then like find out. But in any case, I have a lot of pieces that those bottoms could go with. Okay, and then the last piece. So cute. We've got a little like sweatshirt. How adorable. It's like a nice cream color. It's so hard to like tell colors on here because of the lighting in here, but it's like a nice cream color. It's actually quite thick. Like this is a really good material. So I'm really excited. These will look cute with, these actually could probably go with these pants too. I've got lots of pants that, you know, she'll be wearing eventually. So I have lots of options to go underneath this. So in any case, let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. So 7 pieces for the price I paid for this box, and they're all really good quality and super cute. I'm quite pleased with my purchase. So again, this shop is called Axel and Rose. I will leave a link to their Instagram as well as their shop in the description down below, because they have so many cute things. And I believe I saw today on their Instagram account that they were launching some new stuff as well, and I'm sure they'll have lots of new stuff throughout the holiday season as well, so I'll make sure to link all that in the description down below. So in any case, I'm nearing the end of this pregnancy. I am 30 weeks currently, so I don't have much longer to go. I have a baby shower in a few weeks. I've got a lot going on, but I think I'm going to try and incorporate some more content, like baby content or pregnancy content or what have you, into this channel, but it's still going to be mainly focused on fashion and beauty. I'll just probably add some things in here and there. Like I kind of want to do a nursery tour maybe once it's fully put together. We used to use this room as like a storage room or like a closet, but we, you know, redid it to be the baby's room, and it's really coming along nicely so far. Like we've had some DIY projects. It's been a good time. So maybe I'll do like a tour of the nursery once the baby shower is over and we've got sheets and all this. As you can see, we've just got a mattress right now. But in any case, if there's any content in particular you want to see, please leave a comment and let me know. And as always, thank you to all of you who have been watching my YouTube Shorts videos. I greatly appreciate it. Those videos are actually really helping my channel grow, so I'm hoping to continue to create those, as well as some more long form content like my BoxyCharm unboxings and whatever other kind of content you want to see. As always, leave a comment and let me know, or send me a message of what kind of content you'd want to see and I can create it. And if you don't already do so, make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button down below. Click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and also make sure you follow me on social media. All my links to my social media profiles will be in the description down below as well. And until next time, see you guys.